Hello, English lovers. If you want to introduce yourself in best English, I am here to help you with that. This is the most best self-introduction in English ever. Carefully watch the video and learn the way to introduce yourself in English. Without any further delay, let's get started. Hello, my name is Lucy, and I'm excited to share my personal and professional journey with you. I believe that everyone's story is unique, and each experience contributes to shaping who we are today. I was born and raised in London, where I spent my formative years. Growing up in a developed city, I was deeply influenced by the values and high cultures of it. These early experiences played a major role in shaping my personality. I received my early education at Stevens School, where I developed a strong interest in English literature. My teachers played an instrumental role in nurturing my curiosity and love for learning, which led me to pursue higher education in literary studies. After finishing high school, I attended Cambridge University, where I majored in English literature. University life was a transformative period for me. It exposed me to new ideas, different cultures, and the importance of critical thinking. Throughout my academic career, I strived for excellence. I am proud to have achieved the gold medal and the Shakespeare Scholarship. These accomplishments taught me the value of dedication and perseverance. I have always been passionate about learning new things. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or self-study, I believe that continuous learning is the key to personal and professional growth. After completing my studies, I began my professional career in teaching. I started working as a professor, where I quickly realized the importance of adaptability and teamwork in achieving success. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work in various roles, each offering unique challenges and learning experiences. I have worked at King's University as professor, which gave me a deep understanding of literary studies. One of the proudest moments of my career was when I was awarded with Nobel Prize in Literature. This achievement not only boosted my confidence, but also reaffirmed my passion for literature. Through my professional journey, I have acquired a diverse set of skills. These include excellent communication, leadership, and management skills. I believe that mastering these skills has been critical to my professional success. Like everyone, I have faced challenges along the way. However, I believe that overcoming obstacles is an essential part of growth. One of the most significant challenges I faced was lack of resources, and it taught me that wasting resources is always a worst act. Outside of work, I have a wide range of interests and hobbies. I enjoy reading, traveling, and sports, which help me relax and keep my mind active. Traveling is one of my greatest passions. I've been fortunate enough to visit several amazing places, including Egypt, the Caribbean, Machu Picchu, etc. Each trip has broadened my perspective and deepened my appreciation for different cultures. English has always been an important part of my life. I started learning English by watching movies, practicing with friends, and I've continually worked to improve my fluency and communication skills. English is not just a language for me, it's a tool that has opened up numerous opportunities. From professional networking to travel, being fluent in English has enhanced my ability to connect with people from all over the world. Integrity, hard work, and empathy are values that I hold close to my heart. I believe that by staying true to these principles, I can make a positive impact both personally and professionally. Building strong relationships is important to me. Whether it's through friendships or professional networks, I value the connections I've made throughout my life. I enjoy spending time with friends and engaging in meaningful conversations. In addition to English, I am also fluent in French, Urdu, Arabic, etc. This linguistic diversity allows me to communicate with people from different cultural backgrounds and enhances my global understanding. Having visited diverse places like Bangkok, Istanbul, and Singapore, I have gained a deep appreciation for different cultures. These experiences have made me more open-minded and adaptable in my personal and professional life. I consider myself a lifelong learner. Whether it's through formal education or self-taught skills, I continuously seek to expand my knowledge in areas such as artificial intelligence, media management, and marketing. Looking ahead, I am excited about the future. I aim to continue growing in my career, learning new things, and contributing positively to society. I believe that each day presents new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Giving back to the community is something I am passionate about. I have been involved in the well-known NGO, Stark, and I find it deeply fulfilling to make a difference in people's lives. My key strengths include leadership, communication, adaptability, which I believe have been critical in both my personal and professional achievements. My personal philosophy is rooted in the belief that hard work, resilience, and continuous improvement lead to success. I believe that by staying focused on your goals, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve great things. In conclusion, I am a passionate individual who values learning, growth, and human connections. My journey thus far has been filled with rich experiences, and I look forward to what the future holds as I continue to evolve and contribute to the world around me.